right, Damai Residence here in KL. This is the place we always stay in KL. So you guys remember 2 years ago, we already have a video from here, but what's great is this year, because it's not COVID anymore, the place is full.
Right.
So at the end of this video, we will talk to a bunch of interesting people, students and people doing internships and digital nomads from Netherlands, Germany, France, Japan, Korea, the list goes on. I'm not sure who we'll see, but the place is full, and we'll ask them what they like about Damai Residence, why they chose it, what they like about Malaysia, why they chose it, what surprised them, what they don't like. So it will help you in your research if you're thinking about traveling Malaysia, and especially coming to Damai.
Right.
Now, the community here is really, really great. And obviously 2 years ago when we were here, there was no community. It was COVID times. But despite that, we still really loved it here. And so we came back on our second trip to KL. The reason we loved it is because the facilities are great.
Right.
So we're going to start the facilities tour, believe it or not, in our private bathroom. Because after 3 years of traveling, it's a great bathroom.
Yeah.
It's got the huge shower, walk-in shower with the huge windows, and I really love the his and hers sinks. Just take a glance at the sinks and try to guess which one is for his and which one is for her. Shout out to Ivana. I got my private sink, very nice. We have a huge wardrobe with a safe in it.
Yeah.
You guys know from our Peru experience being robbed, the security is really great. The safe is big enough to put a laptop, which is really, really great. And obviously our room is huge. Love the high ceilings, makes me feel like I'm a boss.
Right.
Makes me feel high class in the high ceilings, and the huge windows are just great. And as we venture into the kitchen, you might imagine that we do a lot of entertaining in the kitchen because it's so big. And there's 5 bedrooms attached to it, so you might think that we hang out in the kitchen quite a bit. But despite its really big size and great balcony, we almost never hang out there because the chilling area on 19th floor, which is right beneath my feet on the top floor, is like incredible. So maybe next we'll go down to the hangout area. There is a co-working space. I'll show you it quietly. There's probably people working, but the hangout area is really fantastic on 19th floor.
Yeah, I love it.
This is where we spend most of our time. This is where we met all the interesting people from across the globe. So next, let's go down to 19th floor and check out the awesome facilities at Damai Residences.
Let's go.
Check it out. Obviously, the pool table is great and huge TV with speakers, so everybody parties here. And I just noticed this note, which is a really testament to how safe this building is. It says, "I found your phone. Please contact us at the front desk and we'll give us your phone back." So if you stay here and you leave your phone here one night, they return it to you.
I love that.
We just met our friend Desiree over here, who just went to the chill zone, which you'll see in a second. She's doing some work. It's really lively atmosphere. In the end of the video, you'll see people here all partying, and we'll interview them and hopefully help you with your research.
Right.
What's nice is there's this calendar, which has tons of cool stuff they planned. Ice skating. This
Wow.
is going to the zoo. This is karaoke night. So this will be planned by the building. But what's also nice is that the community of people here also do their own plans.
Yeah, that's nice.
So every weekend they're going to Batu Caves or Cameron Highlands or whatever. Here's some photos of all the people having fun.
Wow, last time we weren't here, it was
cool.
COVID, so we didn't get to do any of this
Yeah,
stuff.
last time this board was empty.
Yeah.
It was ready to be used, but there was nothing on it. I guess they have poker night at least one.
That's right. Fun.
1 point. There's a kitchen up here. Now, through the kitchen is the co-working space. So maybe we'll
Enter quietly.
enter quietly and show you guys the co-working space. There'll be probably 3 or 4 people working, young, interesting people.
Right.
So that's pretty much the facilities. There's also the chill zone, which is the movie theater. We'll show you that in a second, but I think there's people in there enjoying a movie right now. Oh, check it out, guys. I didn't even realize this until now. But here on 17th floor, there's another working space, and it's sort of beautiful and even more elaborate than the one on 19th floor. So plenty of space to do your work. I guess this is actually an apartment like ours, but it's been converted into working space with kitchen, and then all of the rooms are really nice working space or meeting rooms, and again quite big and quite nice. So lots of space to do your work. You can sit down here with the great view and do your work. So lots of space to do work here at co-living. There's also a gym, which is really nice
Oh, yeah.
because the treadmill has a television, I should say Netflix or YouTube in the treadmill.
Yeah.
It has literally doubled my treadmill usage from
That's true.
once a week to twice a week.
That's true.
Because we're watching movies on the treadmill, and there's an outdoor gym, which right now is a little hot to use, but there's also an outdoor gym, which is pretty cool. And with that, I think we've showed you everything. So now let's wait a couple hours, and I think this pool table area will start to fill in with interesting people, and we'll see why they chose Malaysia, why they chose Damai, what they expected, what the results were, good, bad, indifferent. We'll get some info for you guys. So see you in 3, 2, 1. Hey Diana. Oh, here, go ahead. Oh, nice shot.
You filmed that?
Yeah, good one. Actually, our roommate.
Yeah. Yes.
So good to see you. Can I ask you some questions about your experience in Malaysia?
Yeah, sure.
Sure. Okay, so first things first, you're a student from Germany.
Yes, I'm a student from Germany, but I have to study abroad in Malaysia.
Okay, so why did you choose, firstly, to study in Malaysia?
That's a good question. So yeah, I chose Malaysia because it's in the heart of Asia, and I like to travel, and I want to be near my family. They're from Vietnam, so that's why.
Cool. Okay, and why did you choose this building, Damai Residence?
I choose particular Coliv or Damai Residence because I heard that a lot of my fellow students live at Coliv, and because I just arrived 1 month in Malaysia, I couldn't make a lot of friends. I missed the start, so that's why.
Oh, I see. So the community here.
Yes, definitely the community, and I love that there are a lot of people from internationally, like France, Spain, Japan, Korea. That's just great.
Cool. And what have you noticed about Malaysia? Are you enjoying traveling in Malaysia? Have you been around to see anything?
I've been around absolutely in KL, Malacca, and I just like the view, and I like the culture, and especially the food.
The food is right.
Yeah.
The food is right. Okay, thanks. Enjoy your game. Who's winning, by the way?
Yeah, I think I'm full. No, solid, right? We're tied right now.
Tied right now. Okay, thanks, Diana. Okay, introducing Alice, who is from the Netherlands.
Yes.
Although I heard raised in New Zealand, is what Diana said.
Exactly. Yeah.
So truly a woman of Earth. Okay, first question. Why did you choose Damai Residence? What was your research like in order to find this building?
So I was first looking for Airbnbs, but I didn't like the concept of Airbnb, living in a house and being restricted. So I wanted to look for something where I could meet more people. That was one of my goals when I was here. How can I meet people? Because after COVID, I've isolated for a whole year.
Right.
And I just want to meet people, start going out again, and of course just be able to be myself out there again. So I saw an advertisement just coincidentally, and it was Coliv. And I saw on the website, I was like, this can't be real. I was scrolling, like, this looks too perfect.
Wow.
This is too good to be true. But
So,
yeah, eventually I was like, okay, I'll take a chance on it.
cool.
Let's go.
And what has been your experience so far? Good experience? Favorite part, least favorite part of Damai?
Once again, my favorite part is meeting people. The amazing people that I've been, met around here is just fantastic. Least favorite?
Hard to say, right?
Hard to say, actually.
Fair. Good
Maybe
answer.
my fridge doesn't work, that's the only thing. It works.
We fixed the fridge. Yeah, we called the guy today.
Okay, then I don't have anything.
Awesome. Now, why were you thinking of Malaysia in the first place? What about Malaysia sparked your curiosity?
Actually, I was blessed by the Lord, and it was just by coincidence. Once again, not coincidence, but planned by God, of course. But I was supposed to do my internship in China. I do international business for Asia, so I specifically wanted to go to Asia, where a country where I could speak Mandarin, Cantonese, doesn't matter.
Okay.
And my school was connected to this company, Malaysian Dutch Business Council.
Okay.
And I reached out to them. They were like, "We want you on the team."
Yeah.
I was like, Wow, thank you.
Wow, awesome. So coming to Malaysia was planned by God. What have you liked about Malaysia the most?
The food.
Of course.
And
Of course.
in a month, I gained like embarrassing amount of.
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
Yeah.
Favorite food? Hard to say again, right?
Yeah. I'm not the biggest fan of nasi lemak, but their chicken though.
Yeah, I'm going.
Their chicken
Yeah.
is next level.
Yeah, agree.
That's hands down my favorite.
Awesome. Have you picked up any Malay words?
Sedap.
Sedap. Good.
And my favorite word, atas.
Awesome.
You guys know atas?
No.
Like high up, you know, like fancy.
Oh, I didn't know that one. Wow, you taught me.
All the Malaysians think the Dutch people here are atas because they're kind of rich, you know? But we're not atas. We just act like it.
Awesome. All right. Thanks, Alice.
No worries.
Awesome. Hey, friend.
Hi,
Okay, what's your name? Where are you from?
my name's Divya and I'm from India.
Okay. First question.
Yes.
How did you find out about Damai co-living space, and what did you like about it?
I was actually supposed to live in my uni dorm, but it was not up to my expectation. So I just tried to look around, condos or apartments near my uni, and co-living just popped up. And when I came, I really liked it because we have a lot of facilities here. We have a pool table here, and I'm a big fan of pool. We have an indoor gym. We have a car park lot. If one drives their car, wants to hire one. It's very convenient. It's in the center of KL, so I chose co-living.
Very well done. You're actually the best pool player in the facility that I've seen so far.
You're
Now,
being too kind.
no, I'm being sincere. So why did you choose Malaysia to study in?
I was actually supposed to be on an international exchange program. I was supposed to do 1 year in Malaysia and 2 years in UK, but because of the pandemic, my plan didn't go as it was.
Supposed to. Yeah.
So I just thought, why not continue in Malaysia? Because the reason I chose that was because I wanted to understand the best of both worlds, the Eastern fashion department as well as the Western. But
Oh, you're studying fashion.
yes, I study fashion business.
East and West, worlds colliding. Okay,
Yeah.
most important question.
Yes.
What has been your experience in Malaysia? Did you find it good experience? Favorite experience? What can you say about the beautiful country of Malaysia?
Malaysia holds a very close place to my heart. I have learned a lot of things here. It's the first time I'm living alone away from my family.
Okay.
And because Malaysia is so friendly, I do not feel as homesick as I thought I would. And there are a lot of cultures over here to learn from. We have the Chinese, we have the Malay, we have an Indian.
Yeah.
And being Indian, it's,
Awesome. Okay. Favorite Malaysian food?
Roti canai.
Roti canai.
Yes, I love it.
You love it.
I love it.
Fantastic. Have you learned any Malay words?
Yes.
Okay.
Selamat pagi. I know numbers from 1 to 5. Then selamat datang. Boleh.
Boleh, of course, boleh.
And something else which I shouldn't say.
Oh, some swear words. Okay, fair enough. All right, thank you very much. High five.
Thank you.
All right, shout out to our 2 new friends over here who were a little shy to be on the video, and shout out to our 3 friends in the video. Hopefully you guys learned, maybe it's quieter in here, a little bit about Damai Residence and why people love it here. You guys can see the huge party out there. Everybody is eating and enjoying nasi impit, satay, rendang, all of the Malaysian yum-yums. So thanks for watching our video. We'll see you in the next one. Shout out to Damai. I think we'll go to Borneo tomorrow, and then when we come back to KL, we'll probably stay here again because it is awesome. Shout out. Okay, later guys.